In this video, I will show you how to get working days in a year in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have specified the current year in this column. Now I want to calculate the total number of working days in the specified year. I will use the NETWORKDAYS function to count working days in a year. The NETWORKDAYS function returns working days between two dates. This function accepts three arguments: a start date, an end date, and an optional holiday list. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type NETWORKDAYS followed by an opening bracket. To count the working days in a year, we need to provide the first date of the year as the start date argument and the last date of the year is the end date argument of the NETWORKDAYS function. I will use the Excel date function to create the first and last date of the year. The date function returns a date based on the specified year, month, and day values. Let's type date followed by an opening bracket. Since we want the first day of the year, I will select the year mentioned in this column as the year argument, 1 for the month of January as the month argument, and 1 for the first day for the day argument of the date function. Type the closing bracket of the date function. Type a comma to enter the last day of the year as the end date argument. I will use a similar date function, but this time I will specify the month argument as 12 for the month of December and 31 as the day argument like this. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the number of working days for a year. By default, the NETWORKDAYS function excludes weekends, that is Saturdays and Sundays, from the working day count. We can also exclude the public holidays from the count of working days by specifying the third holiday argument of the NETWORKDAYS function. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have a list of holidays for the year 2024 in this column. Let's modify the formula and specify this range of the cells as the third holiday list argument of the NETWORKDAYS function like this. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, this time the count of working days for the whole year excludes the public holidays as well. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.